Hey guys, it's Tristan and Cole from A+ Power Sports. Today we're going to go over the essentials you'll need when you first buy your new ATV or UTV.
Before leaving A+ Power Sports with your new off-road vehicle, there's a couple of spots that we want you to stop at. I know it can be extremely overwhelming and exciting getting your new machine, but you're going to want to stop over by Nikki at the parts counter, me over at the service desk, and Tristan to get all your riding gear.
Let's start with your off-road gear. First, you'll need a helmet and goggle. We carry many different helmet brands and styles in stock. I highly recommend you stopping in and trying them on. All the brands and styles will fit different, so make sure you stop in and I will get you in the best fit. Goggles are another important essential you'll need out on the trail. They help you protect your eyes from any weather condition and dust. Sunglasses will not cut it, the dust will still get between those lenses. Another important item is a dust devil or a neck gaiter. This is going to protect you from eating all that dust out on the dusty and dry trails. And lastly, make sure you pack yourself a rain suit. I wear the FXR Ride Pack jacket and pant. It's a packable jacket and pant that packs away into the pocket, so it's easy to store on your off-road.
Before leaving with your brand new Polaris Off-Road, make sure you stop at the parts and service counter to pick up your necessary parts. The first one and most important is going to be a new air filter. You're going to want to have a spare air filter either with you while out riding or keep it in the garage or the cabin up north. The biggest thing with the air filters is, I cannot stress this enough coming from the service standpoint, keep up with a good OEM Polaris filter. Polaris does a great job with their air filters on it, and you can't go wrong with changing your air filter too often. The next piece is going to be a tire change, or a tire plug kit, I should say. So it comes with tire plugs. A good kit is going to come with either little CO2 cartridges or a 12-volt accessory plug-in that has an air pump in it, so you can get back on the trail if you ever pop the tire out there riding. If you don't want to worry about having to plug a tire while out on the trail, you can always opt for a spare tire and a spare tire rack. This is the Polaris one right for the Pro XP. You pull a lever and open this to get to your trunk space. So have one or the other, spare tire or a tire plug kit. The most important part coming from a service standpoint is keeping up with oil changes. You can bring it into the dealership at A+ Power Sports. We'll get you in and set up for an oil change. We do a full service where we change all the fluids on them, but keeping up with that, you can look in your owner's manual. It'll tell you exactly what service intervals it is for each oil change on every machine you purchase.
And lastly, while you're here, grab yourself a Wisconsin off-road trail book. There are over 40,000 miles of off-road trails in Wisconsin, and this book covers them all. It's $35 and well worth it.
We hope this video helped you guys get ready for your first adventure with your new Polaris machine. If you have any questions about anything we talked about in the video, leave us a comment in the section below. You can always call us or email us. And if you want to see what my current inventory is right now, check out aplusride.com. If you guys like this video, hit the like and subscribe button, and thanks for watching.